Good morning. Welcome. It's your girl Sheridan S. Davis, and I'm back with yet another video. Y'all listen. I am about to get ready. That's why y'all see me in my nightwear. I'm in my bathroom about to get ready and head down to write another best-selling novel. That's my hope and prayer. Y'all, I am getting ready for a new book, and that has led me to a confession. Y'all, your girl needs some glasses. I need glasses. I am on the computer screen all day and night, whether it's for my 9 to 5, for YouTube, whether I'm on my iPad, my computer, my phone, whether I'm working on a new book, always in front of a screen. And baby, with time comes changes. So not only have my measurements changed, but so has that eyesight. But I want to thank my lovely friends over at Firmoo for supplying me with some new glasses. So y'all get ready with me as I get ready to go and work on this book with my new glasses. You guys, Firmoo is so dope because they have some real cute glasses for inexpensive rates, okay? Y'all, I mean, the glasses are stylish and cheap. And if you know me, if you're a bestie, you're not new here, you know your girl is frugal. I don't like spending a whole lot of money. So Firmoo is right up my alley. The era of being a blind baddie is out, okay? Unless you're really blind. We ain't talking about y'all. But us trying not to see for the sake of fashion is out. Get you some cute, affordable glasses so you can be in. Baby, you can be cute and be able to see at the same time. It's time we protect our eyes, okay? Health is wealth. Health is wealth and of most importance, okay? So let's get into these glasses. Y'all, Firmoo hooked your girl up, okay? I got my glasses in style Hot 500. I got the gold clear brown set. Let me show y'all what they look like. So let's unbox them together. This is what the packaging looks like. Can y'all see? Look, act like an influencer. Okay, there we go. Hand behind the product. And it says, you define your look, period. Because don't nobody else do it for me. Okay, so once you open the box, now I love the fact, y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? That means my glass is not getting torn up in the mail on the way to me. Catch that. Y'all hear that? Okay, no toe up glasses. They're not scratched at all. And then when you open it, there is a dust bag that says cleaning cloth and pouch. You can use this dust bag as a cleaning cloth. Then when I open them, stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Let me show y'all these glasses. Woo! And instead of calling these top 500, they need to call these glasses the one. Let me show y'all. I look so cute in these glasses, y'all. Y'all check out the gold and brown details. Look at the deep gold detail on the side. You guys, and I see so good in them. Y'all, I love them. They are so me. They're very demure, very cutesy, very mindful. And guess how much they cost, y'all? Only $28.99. Let's shout. Okay? And I would not be a bestie as I claim to be if I didn't get y'all a discount, okay? So my besties, just for being a bestie, you can use my discount code. These frames got me feeling like a rich woman, okay? You know it's rich when you say woman instead of saying woman, okay? So I had to go get my fur and even my laptop because it's time to go and write a bestseller. So make sure y'all go get y'all one of these. It's a chicken salad, okay? Get you some glasses. Use the link in the description box below. Use my link in the description box below and in the pinned comment below. And make sure you use the discount code CXCL50 for 50% off. You guys, you can even give them your prescription from the doctor and they'll put them in the glasses for you. Y'all, they got sunglasses, they got blue light glasses like these. Girl, get you some glasses and get you 50% off by using my discount code. Again, CXCL50 to get you 50% off your next pair of Firmoo glasses. Alright, I'll stay tuned. And thank you, Firmoo, for sponsoring today's video and blessing my besties with 50% off.